In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use UniSwap to exchange liquidity. By the end, you'll feel comfortable navigating the UniSwap app and completing a straightforward token swap using its liquidity pools. Before we start, make sure you're on the official UniSwap app in a secure browser tab and that your crypto wallet is ready with enough native token for gas fees. I'll assume your wallet is already connected. Begin by heading to the UniSwap app. You'll land on a clean interface designed around trading. From the main navigation, open the trade section. That brings you to the core swapping experience, which is where you'll spend most of your time. Inside trade, choose the swap option. This opens the two-field swap box. The upper field is what you're selling, and the lower field is what you're buying. In the top field, enter the amount you want to sell. Don't worry if you haven't chosen the tokens yet. This simply sets the quantity you plan to swap and helps UniSwap estimate pricing once the tokens are selected. Next, select the token you want to sell. Click the token button next to the top field and pick your asset from the list. If you see multiple versions of a token, stick to verified entries and be cautious of lookalikes. Once chosen, you'll see your sell amount paired with that token. Now move to the bottom field and click Select Token. This opens the token selector for what you want to receive. Choose the token you want to buy. As soon as you pick it, UniSwap will quote an expected amount based on current pool liquidity and market conditions. If needed, adjust the amount. You can type into either the sell or buy field and the other will update automatically. Take a moment to review the details shown below the fields, such as the price impact, the minimum received based on current slippage, and any route information. This helps you understand how your trade will execute and what you can expect after fees and slippage. When everything looks right, click Swap. A confirmation preview will summarize your trade one more time so you can double-check token symbols, amounts, and estimated fees. After you confirm, UniSwap submits the transaction to the network and begins processing. You'll see a status indicator, and once it's confirmed on-chain, your new tokens appear in your wallet. That's the full flow. Open UniSwap, go to Trade, choose Swap, set your sell amount, choose the token you're selling, select the token you're buying, confirm the amounts, and execute the swap. Always verify token details, keep an eye on gas costs, and review the price impact before you proceed.